Today we're making a vibrant, color-packed couscous salad that's perfect for any day. Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Recipes, where we make quick and delicious meals for busy families. Let's get started. This dish is a favorite dish in my home, especially when we need something light but satisfying. My family loves how fresh and colorful it is, and I love how easy it is to make. First, let's get the couscous ready. Pour hot water over it on the 1:1 ratio. Cover and let it absorb for about 5 minutes. This will give us a light, fluffy couscous ready to soak up all the flavors that we're about to add. Now let's add some depth to our dish. Add onions and bell peppers to a pan with a little oil and saute for about 5 minutes until they soften and release their natural sweetness. Time for seasoning. We are adding herbs, a generous sprinkle of 6-gun spice, and some salt. This brings out all the bold flavors in our dish. Once your couscous is ready, fluff it up and add it to a large bowl along with our seasoned veggies and chickpeas. To finish off this delightful dish, add in raw crisp cucumbers and juicy baby tomatoes. And there you have it, a colorful, refreshing couscous salad that's perfect for any meal. Light, healthy, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick meals, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite salad ingredient. Thanks for watching Good Recipes. See you in the next video.